Hi, this is Mrs. Liu. This is a cup of hot water. Can you see the steam coming out? Okay, it's very hot. So this is a cup of cold water. Okay, now what are we going to see here? If I put the cold water near to the steam, the water vapor that comes out of the hot water touch the cold surface here. Then you will condense and form water droplets. Right? When condense, it lose heat. This one, it gain heat and evaporate. And it condense on the cold surface, lose heat and form water droplets. So now I can write miracle here. Remember, you are a miracle.